Hi, I'm William Mills. I'm at FinovateSpring in San Diego, and I'm pleased to be joined by Adlon Adams from San Francisco-based Casca. How you doing today, Adlon?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Well, listen, for those folks that aren't yet familiar with Casca, tell me a little bit about yourself and your company.
Yeah, so I'm a vice president at Casca, and at Casca, our mission is to help small business owners get funding faster. And the way that we do that is through AI native loan origination software. So we go through the entire loan origination process and automate things from application to document collection, underwriting, and then ultimately servicing the loan. Like you mentioned, we're based out of San Francisco. Our two founders went through Y Combinator in 2023. Peterson Ventures led our seed round in 2023. And our first customer was Bankwell Bank, a community bank based out of New Canaan, Connecticut. And since then, we've moved up market quickly.
Fantastic. Well, I've been in the financial industry for a while, and I've seen a lot of different loan origination systems. What makes Casca unique from alternatives?
Yeah, so I think there are two things that stand out to me about what makes Casca unique. The first is our product. Currently, lenders, closers, underwriters at banks are working out of notes and spreadsheets and checklists that are in PDFs that all theoretically should go into legacy software solutions. And at Casca, we take all of those manual processes and put them into one place. And the result is that we're able to decrease the time to funding for a small business owner from 90 days down to 7 days and ultimately down to 1 day. And what also makes Casca unique is the team that's behind this work. So we've been able to recruit top engineering talent from Stanford, MIT, Georgia Tech that iterate at an incredibly quick pace.
That's great. Well, I've heard that AI is an integral part of the Casca value proposition. So if that's true, how do you make sure that you're using AI ethically and responsibly?
Yes, so for us, using AI responsibly means human in the loop. That's at the core of what we do. Some examples I can think of: communications to customers. We use generative AI to create suggested emails, suggested text messages. Those are reviewed by employees at the bank before they're sent. We don't use LLMs in our underwriting.
Right.
And when it comes to making actual decisions on the loan, we don't do any type of auto decision. We want that to be human-led. And the last example I can think of, when we're extracting data from a document, we cite all of the documents so that humans are able to verify what the AI is doing behind the scenes.
Right. Well, you've launched with several major financial institutions and probably a few big ones coming online soon. Why have they chosen Casca as an integral part of their business strategy?
Yes, so we are working with some of the top SBA lenders in the country, and what they get really excited about with Casca first is the ROI and efficiency they see in using a platform like Casca. We're able to increase loan volume, increase conversion rates, monitor pipeline health, and decrease time to funding, which are all important to a lender when you're trying to increase your loan volume. And another reason why they choose to work with Casca is our industry expertise. So our engineering team is a little bit different. They sit down with our customers and our end users every single day to really understand their problem, understand the business use case, and we take a lot of pride in our industry expertise. Every single person at our company has read the SBA SOP, and that combination of value that the product provides as well as industry knowledge, I think, is what is so appealing.
So why did you start with small business lending products over other type of loans?
Yes, so the SBA loan program is, at the heart of the American economy. We saw a huge opportunity for efficiency gains.
Right.
I had mentioned this earlier, but it can take up to 90 days for a small business owner to get an SBA loan, which then means that they're having to look at alternative financial products such as merchant cash advances that traditionally can have high interest rates and daily payments. And when you're in a tight spot and need capital fast, you'll turn to whatever product you can access most quickly. And so we wanted to be there for small businesses and saw this as the first stepping stone.
That makes a lot of sense. Well, in closing, what is the one thing you want viewers to take away from our conversation about Casca?
Yeah. Founded in 2023, Casca is AI native. We were the first AI native loan origination system. And using that technology, we want to help small business owners thrive and help our lending partners meet their full potential.
Fantastic. Well, Adlon, I appreciate you taking the time to meet with me today. And again, this is William Mills at FinovateSpring in San Diego.